Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. This channel is about you making money, saving money, and getting things for free. Yes. What you got going on, free merchandise lady? Well, I got going on how to get ready to get free debit cards with money on them. What? You want me to say it again? How for you to get ready with free debit cards with money on them. Well, free merchandise. The free merchandise lady want to tell you about this site. But before I tell you, look, what about you could get a debit card getting free rewards from a website? What? You know what? If I could do that, I would call the little debit card. Uh, this is my special. I could do what I want to do. Debit card. Nobody else can have it. If I want to go to the movies, I want to get my nails done. I want to get my hair done. Whatever I want to do, I want to do what I want to do. Debit card, free merchandise, lady. And if you can earn that, that means don't worry about any fees. You earning this debit card. This is a great site, and I will show you. And it won't cost you anything to be on this site. And you can earn what? Debit cards with money on them. That is great. Free merchandise, lady. I will show you. All right. Now, all you have to do is answer a few questions about products and services and get instant what? Rewarded. Look, this site is called Branded Surveys. Yeah, it's a survey site. I know. But look at this. You get a MasterCard prepaid card. They have many different rewards, but I like these particular two I'm about to show you. Look at that, $5 to $1,000. Just imagine you could do that and get what you want. And then the other one, let's scroll down here. It's so many, it's so many. I know it's the other one down here. Whoa. Oh, there it is. Visa prepaid. Look at that. From $5 to $1,000. You can't beat that. Free merchandise lady said, what? You can have that special Visa, or MasterCard, debit card. Anything I want to do, card. Free merchandise lady. And look, earn some money. Branded surveys. That's the name of it. The link is below for you to get started on this. Because guess what? Free merchandise lady, I got my special. Hey, that's what I use online. Won't you? You could, use it online, in store, whatever you want to do, but I'm using it online. Hey, or sometimes I do it online and do a store pickup. But guess what? I'm using these cards, the Visa, and then we go back. And then the MasterCard. The link is below. This is simple. I'm not really wasting your time. I'm telling you here, branded surveys, link below. Get started. Hey, great way to get what? Free money on a card that you don't have to worry about. No fees, no interest rates, nothing. Do the work. Guess what? Work is simple. The what's that? I'm gonna show you some of mine. They ask it, do you like bananas? Simple. Stuff like that. Simple little short little tasks where you could do these surveys. And then they give you bonuses on You Do So Many. They have several different bonuses. I love them. But they have many rewards stuff, but these are my two favorites, and I want to share it with you. The link is below, and the link also the link to my other videos. I don't want you to miss out nothing on the free merchandise lady.